Alrighty mga kaunggoy, once again, a new topic. Medyo walking on eggshells ako dito mga kaunggoy. It's all about the frequency. It's all about the channel. It's all about the shutting down of a franchise mga kaunggoy. So nagsimula to sa isang post sa Instagram. Frequency is just a frequency. Content creation is a whole different ball game. I hope they realize that the audience does not come with the frequency. You're going to have to work blood, sweat, and tears. And urine, and vomit, siguro. Whatever humanly fluids ang possible na pwede nyo mailabas. To build what? Accomplished. Over 34 years plus the years before stole the channel. You can get the franchise but you will never be. Bold statement right here mga kaunggoy. Actually, itong frequency shit na to medyo complicated para sa aking feeble mind. Now you're probably wondering, kanina napunta yung frequency? Napunta to kay the appointed Son of God mga kaunggoy. The man, the myth, the legend himself, si Quiboloy.
You serious?
Pero look at the bright side. At least, mapupunta sa langit yung frequency. It is saved! It is saved by the Savior! Wow! Wow! Very good! Very nice! It's going to heaven! Actually, baka lagpas heaven na eh. Sa sobrang ligtas na nito, lagpas langit na. Doon na sa alien. O kaya sa omniverse na, sa multiverse. God sent this man from the heaven above to buy that frequency. Kung meron bawas langit points, meron dagdag langit points mga kaunggoy. Bakit ko pinag-usapan to mga kaunggoy? Why? Very personal to para sa akin mga kaunggoy dahil technically I was a part of this network through this Adobe Studios. Technically, I'm not sure. This is very important for me and very personal for me because if it weren't for ABS, Adobers, na yung Adobers kinuha ako as talent YouTube network, hindi ko may isipan na maging full-time job tong fucking YouTube na to. Adobers help me find my worth. Tinulungan nila ako na, uy, medyo possible ka na para dito ka dito sa YouTube. Yung hobby ko, kung saan ako masaya, you know, the thing that makes you happy, they help me find that. The thing that makes me happy. The career that I want to pursue, that I know that will make me happy. You get it? Tinulungan nila ako hanapin yun. That is why I am eternally grateful. Where do I stand when it comes to this? Itong dalawang hashtags na to. Saan ako nagsastand dito? Well, let me tell you this. I think it's pretty obvious. Lalo na ginawa ko tong dalawang videos na ito. I really think it's very obvious right now. No? Hindi ako biased, boy. Why would you think that? Grabe ka magsabi sa akin na biased ako pero kasama kaya nila nung nag-shooting kayo dun sa sa Adobers? You remember that? Bago maproblemahin tong pinagsasabi ko, ayusin mo kaya muna yung inidoro namin. Nag-clog na eh. Parang tanga. A frequency is just a frequency. Kahit saan man frequency mapunta, it's still ABS. Kumbaga parang ano yan eh, pinutol mo yung titi mo. Technically, you're still a man. Wait lang, pag parang ano yun.
Transgender, no?
No, I was thinking of an analogy. Even though you cut off your dick, you're still technically a man.
Because you still have your balls.
Unless you cut off your balls. Oo ano, nagigets ba yung analogy ko? Kahit saan man sila mapunta, ABS pa rin sila. Just like how a man, no matter if he cuts off his balls and his dick, he's still a man technically. Or if a woman nagkabit ng titi, naglagay ng strap-on na titi, it's still a woman. This is very uncomfortable usapan.
Naging iba yung usapan eh, no?
Hindi, analogy kasi. Ayoko na.
Jireh, kadiri ka.
Ah!